How is your research work going on? This is the question every researcher get to, and whenever you get to hear this question, whenever you are asked this question by anyone, whether it's your guide or your friends, this question triggers all the list of the things that went wrong with your experiment, right, researchers? Hello, researchers. So, this is another video uh, for helping you in surviving your research days. In fact, your research life. Research is not a course, research is actually a lifestyle. It's not a job, it's not a course that you are going to complete in this span of time or anything, or by doing this many hours of work, but it's a lifestyle that is going to stay with you for almost your whole life, right? So in this video, we are going to talk about how you can keep your mental health intact during your research life or during your intense research days, during your when everything went wrong with your research, with your experiment. How can you survive those days? How can you keep yourself happy? How can you keep yourself alive and healthy mentally and physically? This video is about this topic only. So if you are still interested, do continue with the video. Now let's just dive into the topic. First of all, few things you have to, like, there are steps I'm going to tell you, or you can say tips I'm going to give you to keep yourself happy and healthy during your research. Okay, first of all, you have to keep this thing in your mind that timing matters in research. Okay, you can't be like, okay, today I did 12 hours of work and my experiment didn't work, then that means it's not going to work. It's going to work on its timeline, not yours, but your work is to keep on trying, because you never know when that timeline going to hit. Okay, so timing matters. Timing matters in life. Okay, what does Krishna says? He says you keep doing your work, keep doing. One day I will say tathastu. One day I will say let him have or let her have what she or he wants to have. Okay, he is going to give you everything in your life. The same way research work. Okay, don't rush yourself, don't rush your experiment. Keep your experiment as your baby. Okay, if you are not in mood to give me the results I want, or maybe the results I deserve, it's all right. I'm still going to work with you, I'm still going to be there for you. You are not alone in this journey. Okay, and keep working on that. If you feel frustrated, I have told you in another video also, go have a walk, go have a coffee with friend, go have a something to eat that you really want to eat. Okay, go and have it and then come back. You have to come back. Okay, maybe in 2 hours, maybe 2 days later. It's all right. That's going to work. Okay, but quitting is not going to work, because anyway you have to face problems in every area of your life, so you have to be consistent with your efforts. Okay, problems are consistent, you have to consistent too. Okay, yeah. Now, second tip, detach yourself from your work. Yes, I'm saying this, I am always saying that, treat your baby as your work, treat your sorry, treat your work as your baby, treat your experiment as your baby, treat your reaction as your baby, treat your compound as your baby, treat your cell line as your baby, treat your hypothesis as your baby. But detachment is the lesson of life, guys. Any way in life, you have to learn this lesson. No matter what happen in your experiment, things are going to keep happening. You have to like keep yourself in a way. You have to make yourself understand this, that life can't stop because of an experiment. Life do not stop even for people. People come and go in your life. Sometimes they just go to other person, and sometimes they just don't, exist in this on this earth. They just maybe go to some other earth. But you, like, life keep happening still. So you have to detach yourself from your work. Sometimes, if one experiment is not happening by all the do's and don'ts, just detach yourself, stop that experiment for some time, concentrate on your another experiment. Maybe when things will happen in that one, when things will go positive in that one, maybe later on in the another experiment that you have just left, maybe things will happen in that one also, or maybe things won't happen in that one. You have to accept it and just move on with your life. Don't like attach yourself to your work too much, that if things are not going positive in your experiment, then you're I mean you also not feeling like eating, you also not feeling like to have chill with your friends, you also not talking to your parents properly, you feeling very low, you feeling, in fact some people are attached to their experiment too much that they feel sick if things are not happening in experiment. That's that's not going to take you anywhere, guys. Don't do that to yourself. Keep an experiment as treat an experiment as an experiment only. This is way more important. This is way more important. This is way more important. So detach yourself from your paper, from your experiment. Paper is not accepting, and then the person is all depressed and not feeling good, or maybe not feeling confident enough. That's not how your life is going to be. Things are going to come and go. Few things will work out, some will never work out. You just have to keep working on yourself, on your work. Okay. Third, PhD is going to, like, PhD is like, birth and death. Okay, if you are on this earth, you are going to go away also, right? PhD is like that only. If you have took the admission, if you have started your PhD, if you have started your experiment, things are going to happen. Paper are going to get published. PhD is going to happen definitely. Just just keep this thing in your mind, that anyway PhD is going to happen, postdoc is going to happen. I am going to be an assistant professor, or maybe scientist, or maybe or going to work in industry, or whatever you have, whatever the goal you have for yourself, they're going to happen. Keep your attitude like that only. Okay. Now, next thing that you have to keep in your mind, I think it's fourth, right? Yeah. Fourth is always have your hobby with you during your research work. Always. And I mean always. Doesn't matter. You are doing your master's dissertation work, you are doing PhD work, you are doing postdoc work, you are doing postdoc work. Doesn't matter. You have to keep your hobby with you. That hobby is going to keep you alive. Not like, not this one alive. Okay. Alive from inside, inside out. Alive that way, alive. Okay. Your hobby is going to keep you alive. So keep your hobby with you, whatever it is. Okay. It's painting, gardening, singing, dancing, playing anything, any kind of any kind of game it can be. Okay, football, cricket, table tennis, whatever it is, keep it with yourself. Okay, give yourself the time of at least 1 hour or 1.5 hour every day to to have the motivation to get out of the lab, go to that court to play, go to that dance class, go to that singing group, go to that important walk for you. Okay, important walks are always important, and do walk with your friends. That's really going to help you. Okay, listen, having a partner, I mean emotional partner, whatever you call it, okay, girlfriend or boyfriend, that's optional during your research. But having a hobby is not optional. Mhm. This is compulsory. Okay, personal hobby is very compulsory during your research. It's going to give you all the energy that you are going to need to keep your work up during the whole timeline. Okay, yeah. Last but not the least, be delusional about your dreams, whether it's the that important fellowship, or it's that journal you want to score, or maybe the molecule you want to synthesize, or maybe the disease you want to target, maybe the protein you want to target, or it can be the dream professor you want to meet, or the dream uh, presentation, okay, conference. It can be anything, but be in your highest delusion that you are going to get it anyway. Doesn't matter today your work is not happening, today you are not going to, you are not able to target the impact factor of the journal that you want to target. It's totally all right for right now. Okay, be in your highest delusion, work for it, keep all the mental health intact of yours, and trust me, I guarantee you it's going to help you, it's going to get you to the point you want to be at. Okay, and if at the last I want to say, in comments do tell me which hobby you are going to continue with, and how this video has helped you. And if you do not get enough of motivation from this video, I have made another videos also, how to write paper, how to stay positive during your research. All the videos are also there, do watch them. And if any of this content has helped you in any way, do let me know in the comment section, and do let your friends about this, all these ideas that I have given you. Maybe you can share them yourself also. I really want people to do the research and make this earth a better place. I just hope that I have helped you a bit, and I will keep making these kind of videos. And yes, all the very best for your research.